Comparative study between Punjab's and Odisha's agricultural methods. The ultimate goal of farming is not the growing of crops, but the cultivation and perfection of human beings. A beautiful quote written by Manosuba Fukua. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the practice of cultivating plants and rearing animals for food, fiber, medicinal plants, and other products used by humans. It involves activities like crop cultivation, livestock farming, soil management, pest control, and harvesting. Agriculture is essential for food security and sustains human life by providing a steady supply of nutritious food and raw materials. It plays a crucial role in the global economy, employment, and environmental sustainability. Techniques of agriculture: good versus bad. Sustainable practices: farming methods that prioritize environmental conservation, soil health, and resource efficiency. Organic farming: avoiding synthetic chemicals and focusing on natural inputs and practices to minimize environmental impact. Crop rotation: alternating different crops in field to improve soil fertility, reduces pests and diseases, and maintain a long-term productivity. Bad: excessive chemical use, over-reliance on synthetic pesticides and fertilizers which can harm ecosystem and human health. Monocropping: growing a single crop continuously on a large scale which depletes soil nutrients, increases pest and disease susceptibility, and reduces biodiversity. Geographical and climate factors. Punjab is located in the northwestern part of India and has a semi-arid climate. It experiences hot summers and cold winters. The region has fertile alluvial soil. Odisha is located on the eastern coast of India and has tropical monsoon climate. It has hot and humid summers along with heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. The state has variety of soil types including red laterite soil, alluvial soil, and black soil. Cropping patterns. Punjab is known as the granary of India and is primarily dominated by the cultivation of wheat and rice. It follows a predominantly rice and wheat cropping pattern, with wheat being sown in winter after the paddy harvested in the monsoon. Whereas Odisha has a diverse cropping pattern due to its varied agroclimatic zones. It cultivates a range of crops such as rice, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, fruits, and cash crops like sugarcane and cotton. The state also has a significant tribal population engaged in shifting cultivation known as Podu or Dahi. Irrigation practices. Punjab has an extensive canal irrigation system which is supported by the Indus River system. Canal irrigation allows for controlled water supply to the fields, facilitating the cultivation of high-yielding crops like rice and wheat. Whereas Odisha relies heavily on rainfall for irrigation. The state has a vast network of tanks, ponds, and small-scale irrigation structures to capture and store rainwater. In certain areas, tube wells and bore wells are used for groundwater irrigation. Lift irrigation is also practiced. Farm size and land tenure. Punjab has a relatively higher proportion of large and medium-sized farms. The state has witnessed land consolidation and many farmers have access to modern machinery and technologies. The majority of agricultural land is privately owned. Odisha has a higher percentage of small and marginal farms. The landholding size is relatively smaller and there is a prevalence of tenant farming. The majority of agricultural land is held under traditional land tenure systems. Technology adoption. Punjab has been at the forefront of adopting modern agricultural technologies, including the use of high-yielding crop varieties, mechanized farming, and extensive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Odisha, in comparison, has a lower level of technology adoption. However, efforts are being made to promote the use of improved seeds, mechanization, and scientific farming practices. It is important to note that these differences are generalized and there may be variation within Punjab's and Odisha's due to local conditions and individual farming practices. Thank you.